It's a special Valentine's Day edition of Your Pet's Health Tip of the Day. Here now is the love doctor himself, the Pet Pantry's own, Dr. Langlois.
Hello again, everybody. This is Dr. Langlois with a very special Valentine's Pet Health Tip of the Day. And as you can see, I'm kind of dressed in festive attire for the day. And the truth is, why am I dressed like this? Well, I lost a bet. But considering it is the time of year for love and amour and all of that, I figure it is the perfect setting and setup for a couple of tips just to keep your pet safe during this wonderful season and day of love. The first thing that obviously we as veterinarians worry about and want to make sure that your pets are safe with is all the chocolate that's out there. Remember that chocolate is toxic to dogs and cats. Cats we usually don't see too much of a problem with, mainly because they just don't seem to have the affinity or the taste buds that like it like dogs do. But dogs will eat it, and eat it if they're given a chance. So, and remember, different types of chocolate, dark chocolate, milk chocolate, can be toxic, as well as some of the ingredients, in there, if there's certain types of nuts or fillings, things like that. So if you do have a concern where your pet may have ingested something chocolate-wise, be sure to know exactly what kind of chocolate and what was in it to make up things like that when you call your veterinarian, because we're going to need to know that sort of thing to determine if it is a problem or not. Usually chocolate ingestion just leads to some really upset GI signs such as vomiting and diarrhea, but there can be more serious signs if they ingest a lot of it related to their heart. It has a chemical in it like caffeine that can cause arrhythmias with their heart and things of that nature. So that's really important to monitor. Also, there is also the risk if they happen to ingest, say, like a box of Hershey Kisses or something like that have the wrapper still on them. The wrappers of the candy can actually bunch up and cause an obstruction in their intestines. So you want to be careful with that as well to make sure that there's no main problems. So that's the big thing that we worry about. The other thing that, it's kind of funny, I guess, if you think about it, but, it is the season and the night of love, and if there's going to be a little hanky-panky going on, sometimes the female folk will be wearing those scantily clad outfits in the bedroom. For some reason, dogs tend to love women's underwear, and specifically kind of that lacy, stringy type of underwear. And if they happen to ingest that, it can cause some serious blockages in the GI tract. So just a little fun word of warning, if you're going to be doing any of that kind of fun stuff, make sure that your dog doesn't get in on the action, at least in eating your underwear. Because it can be quite a pain for us to try to remove, and a pain to your wallet the morning after. Especially with Valentine's Day being on a weekend, you don't want to be stuck at an emergency clinic on a Sunday because of a problem with your pet. So, those are your kind of important things to remember when it comes to Valentine's Day this year. It's really important that you just kind of keep your pets safe, and hope that everybody has a great and most wonderful Valentine's Day, and that is your tip of the day. Oh, God.
As always, be sure to check out some of these websites for more information, or better yet, contact your local veterinarian and make an appointment today.